To celebrate the season of sparkly stars and twinkling lights, our Christmas-inspired Golden Shimmer wax melts use gold mica powder and glitter and the warming aromatic fragrance of frankincense and myrrh. To make our Golden Shimmer wax melt, you'll need the following: 220.8 grams of Eco Soya Soy Blend Pillar Wax, 19.2 grams of Craftivator's Frankincense and Myrrh Fragrance Oil, less than 1 gram of Craftivator's Gold Synthetic Mica Powder, and a sprinkle of Craftivator's Sahara Gold Chunky Glitter. You'll also need a set of digital weighing scales, a melting pot and pan, 3-star wax melt clamshells from Craftivator, a 100 ml plastic or glass measuring cup, a metal spoon, and a thermometer. To start, place your clamshells open on some kitchen roll. Using a spoon or your fingertips, sprinkle some gold glitter into each of the star cells in the clamshells. Next, weigh out 220.8 grams of wax into your melting pot. To melt the wax, half fill your pan with cold water and set the melting pot with your wax on top. With the hob set to medium to low heat, slowly melt your wax, checking the temperature periodically. Once your wax reaches 70 to 75 degrees, remove it from the heat. Now, weigh out 19.2 grams of frankincense and myrrh fragrance oil into your measuring cup. Add a little of the gold mica powder to the cup and stir well. Allow your wax to cool to 63 to 65 degrees Celsius, then add your fragrance oil and mica mixture to the molten wax and stir continuously for around 90 seconds. Your wax should now be at around 60 degrees Celsius, and so it will be ready to pour into your clamshells. If not, simply wait until the wax cools to 60 degrees before pouring. You'll want to pour the wax slowly and carefully so as not to overfill the clamshell and so that the glitter on the bottom of the clamshells isn't disturbed too much. You want the glitter to be visible at the bottom of each star cell. Allow the wax to set fully before closing the lids, usually around 2 hours. You'll want to leave your wax melts in a cool, dry area away from any damp, moisture, or direct light to cure for 2 weeks before using them for the best scent throw. After 2 weeks, your wax melts will be ready to use and enjoy. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial for Craftivator's Golden Shimmer wax melts. For more tips and tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.